Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my October favorites. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So I have a lot of October favorites that I want to share with you guys. I've got a beauty product, I've got some accessories, I've got some like kitchen products, I've got some hair care. So let me just go ahead and get the beauty items out of the way, like this lip product and the hair care products. So my actual beauty item is this right here. This is the Dior Lip Glow, like lip glow oil, and this is actually in the color Rosewood. I have been trying to get my hands on these for so long because they're always sold out. I just love it. It's just so great. I have this color right now, but I also love the pink color, just the one that's pink. I also like the one that's clear. I was using the Addison Rae, like the Item Beauty lip oil, and I think they're both nice. I do prefer this one because I feel like this one, it doesn't just hydrate, it's like a lasting hydration. With the Lip Quip one, I noticed that I had to reapply it a little more often. It felt great on the lips, but I felt like I just had to reapply it a little more often. It didn't like sink into my lips, it kind of just sat on top of them. Whereas this one really, I feel like sinks in a bit more and you can really get some deeper hydration, so I don't have to apply it as often, so I love that. Hair care stuff. I have been fighting an uphill battle with I think it's psoriasis. I mean, I've had eczema my entire life, especially when it's cold outside. So I wouldn't be surprised if I had psoriasis, but like I don't want to go on medication for that. I feel like that's just a little dramatic. So I did find some stuff from Briogeo that I feel like have been helping, especially this right here. This is actually a newer thing. I haven't been using this for too long, but since I've been using this, I do think I can tell a difference. This is the Scalp Revival Mega Strength Dandruff Relief Shampoo, Charcoal Plus AHA/BHA with salicylic acid. It is anti-dandruff, psoriasis, and seborrheic dermatitis shampoo. And I know there's probably loads of those out there, but this is just the one that I found at Sephora. I'm sure I could find like other ones that are like clinically like kind of like a medicated shampoo, if you know what I mean. Like I'm sure I could find those, but this one right here has been working really well. And then I've also been coupling that with this right here, the Don't Despair Repair Mask, and I have been using this all over my head. Normally, you know, we're told to not use masks from the scalp down. You only need to use masks on like the lengths and the ends of your hair. I don't know. I think that just depends on your hair type or like your hair texture and stuff, because I have been using this all over, like on my scalp, on the sides of my head, like just here, and I do think that it is helping it. It's hydrating it, and it's kind of keeping it hydrated so it doesn't start getting dry and flaky as quickly. All right, let's do like kitchen items. And when I say kitchen items, I mean like the first thing that I have here is my seed. These are probiotics, and let me just start off by saying this is not sponsored. And I am not by any means trying to tell you that you need this product. I am not recommending this product to you. You need to do your own research regarding supplements and vitamins. And if it's something that you think is good for you, then that's a different story. But I am not recommending these to you just by me, because I am not a dietitian. I am not a doctor of any kind. I have been liking them. These are just the seed probiotics, and I have been using them every single day. I've been really good about not missing any days, and I just take 2 of them in the morning, and that's about it. I have noticed just the regulation is a bit better. Like I go to the bathroom more often, if that makes sense. It's all about just gut health and stuff, and I don't really know if the gut health thing, I mean the gut health trend could just be bullshit. I'm just trying it, but I do think this does help. I am seeing a difference, so I do think it helps. I have repurchased them 3 separate times. Like I've got 3 shipments and everything. I actually have one sitting up there right now that I need to open and put back in here because I'm almost out. Next is this, and you might be looking at this and going, Kenzie, what is that? I will tell you, this is to put your coffee in, like your coffee beans. This keeps them fresh. It basically draws out all the air. It's from Fellow, and Fellow makes a lot of my coffee supplies. I love that brand. They make my espresso cups that I have in there. They make my latte cups and my macchiato cups. I really like Fellow a lot. I just like the vibe. It's very minimal, but it's very clean and like classic. I really like it. So basically, let me just show you. I already have it set, but you press this button. Do you hear that? That's all the air being let back in. So then you can unscrew it. And then I have my coffee beans right in here. And then what you do is you put this back on and you do like this. And by doing that, it squeezes the air out like little by little. And then after a while, it becomes really hard to turn. And that's when you know all the air is squeezed out. And then this little button right here will go in, and there'll be like a little green dot. So it keeps your beans fresher for longer, and you can just kind of store them for a longer period of time. I have a couple of accessoires that I want to go over with you guys. Both of them are glasses because I love glasses. And first things first, let's just give a moment to my Dior sunglasses. These are my favorite sunglasses I think that I own, besides my Gentle Monster ones. I love those a lot too, but these ones I'm just obsessed with. Are you kidding? These I have been wearing religiously. Like I haven't really even been wearing my Gentle Monster ones or my YSL ones because I just love these ones so much. And I have just been wearing them with every outfit. I really feel like these are a very fall winter type of sunglass. Can the word sunglasses only be plural? I don't know. But I do think that these are a very fall winter type of sunglasses. I think that it's kind of the vibe that I get off from these. Like even if I wore them with this outfit, it's gonna blow out my camera. I just love them. I think they're so classy. They literally make any single outfit that you put on, even if you have like a hoodie on, and if you're just going to pop to the store, if you wear these, it really just elevates the entire outfit. I am obsessed with these and I love them so much. They say Christian Dior on both of the little hooks. What are these called? Handles? I don't know. But I love these and I love the vibe they give. They're very good quality. Next up, I probably have talked about these in a favorites video a long time ago, but if I have, I forgot. If I haven't, then here we are. These are my favorite. Well, not my favorite, because I have some other blue light glasses from Gentle Monster that I absolutely love. But I have been wearing these a lot recently and I really, really love them. These are just by Key Australia, and these are the ICU blue light glasses. And I really, really like these. They are a lot more lightweight than the Gentle Monster ones, so they don't hurt my head and they don't like press into the sides of my face. And I just really like the look of these. I like the vibe of them. I feel like Harry Potter. So I am just really into these and they really do help with the blue light. I have a couple of bags that I want to share, and then I have this right here, which has literally just, oh my God, damn near saved my life. I love this thing more than I can possibly explain. This is my Louis Vuitton agenda. I have never been an agendas person, like never in my life. My mom is very much an agendas person. She loves to write stuff down and have an agenda and just carry it with her everywhere. I've never been like that, but I never really tried hard enough. But I got this about a month and a half ago. I am obsessed with this, and I just got it in the Louis Vuitton monogram, as you can see. And I will do like a flip through of this and like share what's in my agenda probably in the January, just because the inserts that I have in here are all kinds of messed up because I have like inserts for October and November, but not December. For some reason, I feel like I lost December's ones. I have no idea. But then I can't use January, February, or anything like that because it's not that time yet. So I will be doing a flip through of this just whenever I can start using those. So probably just January. I love this. I also use this as a journal. I write a lot in here, writing down my feelings and writing down how I've been feeling and what I've been upset about, what I've been happy about. Just kind of keeping like a journal, not a daily journal, but like a few days at a time journal has really been helping my mental health. I really like it a lot. And then I have, of course, this pen right here is my everyday kind of pen. It's from Muji and it is in the 0.38 millimeter. It's like the finest one that Muji makes. You can see that. It's a very, very fine tip. I like it a lot. And it writes very, very smooth. Next up, I have a couple pairs of shoes. And if you've been with me, you're probably going to know exactly which shoes that I'm going to show you. These are probably my favorite, well, one of my favorite shoes. These are the New Balance X Kith sneakers and I love them so much. They're in the color white pepper. These are the 1300s and these are like my favorite shoes. I love them so freaking much. They go with everything. They are such a nice fall shoe and they're just beautiful. I am obsessed. And then of course, my favorite pair of shoes that I have just in general are these. I'm obsessed with these. I love them so much. These are my off-white out of office sneakers. And these are, here's what they look like on the back, the sides. I just love the blue arrow so much, and then the inside is blue. Just everything about these sneakers are just stunning and beautiful, and they're also surprisingly comfy as well. They are just like a tiny bit big, so I do have to kind of tie the laces pretty tight. These are definitely more of a, you know, summertime sneaker, whereas the New Balance ones that I showed are definitely a fall, wintertime sneaker, but I still would wear these during the fall and winter. I don't know. I just love them. Anyways, I got two bags. First bag, my Jacquemus. This is the cutest little thing. I wear this so often, so often. And I know this would probably even, I think this is more of like a summertime bag, but I do kind of find it more on the fall side because it's not like a stark white color. It's like an ivory. So I do still feel like I can wear it in the fall time as well. And I love this bag. I know that I can't fit too much in it. I don't even care anymore. I just really like the vibe of this bag, especially when I wear more casual clothes. Like if I'm just wearing my Anina Bing sport hoodie or something and I just throw this on over top, oh, it just elevates the outfit. I love it so much. I just like the vibe. I like the style. I like the look of it. It doesn't fit shit, but you know, who cares? You've heard me talk about my Jacquemus bag so much, and I have like so many pictures of myself wearing this bag. It's insane. The next bag that or the last thing, this is the last item. I want to give the biggest shout out to my Mulberry Mini Alexa. I have been wearing this bag nonstop. This has been pretty much my everyday fall bag. As you can see, like it is literally the color of fall. It's perfect. And I just love it so much. I love the shape of this bag. It's the cutest freaking thing. Are you serious? I love it. It's so spacious on the inside, and I have been loving wearing this top handle just like this when I am wearing a more smart outfit. If I'm wearing something that's really casual, then I will do the crossbody strap or like wear it on my shoulder. I love this bag. I'm so glad I have this bag, and it has just been like my saving grace for this fall. It has just worked so nicely. It's a perfect fall color. It's a perfect fall vibe as well with how slouchy it is. It just looks, you know, a little bit like, just like a little, I don't know, carefree. You know, you're not like tied to anything. It's very, I just like it a lot. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all of my favorites for October. Let me know in the comments what you have been loving for this month. Let me know if there's anything that you would also like to share, like leave in the comments anything. Just tell me anything in the comments because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!